Good morning, everybody. Rise and shine. Well, today is Monday, and I woke up slightly early and thought, you know what, why don't I record a music video? Why don't I record a makeup video and show you guys what I'm going to be doing this morning before work? I'm pretty excited only because I got a lot of makeup stuff this past Christmas that I haven't even really had the chance to try out, so I will be doing that today. This is the palette that I'm going to be using today. It's from MAC. Ooh. A lot of these are really shimmery, so I guess we're going for a shimmery look today. All right, let's just jump right in. So I'm going to be using a Morphe M433 brush, and I think I'll be starting in probably this color right here. Alrighty, looking good. Next I'm going to go in with this color here, Flaming Femme. So we're going to focus that here and warm it up a little. Ooh, yes. Well, last thing I'm going to do is pop a shimmer on the lid. So let's go ahead and see which one we're going to do. So it's going to be this one right here. It's called Mischief Mink. I'll be using the Morphe E10 brush. And then just focus that on the inner corner of the eye. Next thing we're going to do is get the eyelashes all set and ready for some falsies. The mascara that I recently picked up is the Milk Kush mascara. I was using the NARS Climax mascara, but after trying this bad boy out, I'm not going back. It is so good. So if you're thinking about trying out a new mascara, I highly recommend this one. I was hooked on Too Faced and NARS for a really long time, but not anymore after this bad boy. This is a game changer. Definitely need it in your makeup bag. Next up, we've got some false lashes. I'm super excited. I've been wanting a pair of Lily lashes for the longest time. This is in the style Paris. Woo! We are back. Lashes are on. Fucking mint! They look great. I love them. I had to trim the insides just a little bit so that they'd fit my eye. But overall, whoo, looking fire. I'm kind of sad that I waited so long to buy them. Anywho, next we're moving on to our foundation. Alright, next I'm going to be concealing Nothing's Changed, still using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And then we got under the eyes. Actually, I shouldn't say Nothing's Changed because I was using the Morphe concealer for a while. And although I did like it, as well as the price point, it didn't last that long. So I'd rather just spend a little extra money and get something that works just as well and is going to last me a lot longer. Well, I'm going to be using the Kylie Translucent Setting Powder for underneath my eyes. This is in the shade Translucent. I'll be using this MAC bronzer in Give Me Sun. That's really nice. That I'll be using my Morphe R7 brush. For my lips, I'm not going to be applying any lipstick or lip gloss, just this Kiehl's lip balm. My lips have been super dry, and so I've been trying out a lot of different balms, and nothing honestly works quite like this one. It's amazing. What's next? What's next? We'll brush this off. Last thing we'll be doing today is using a highlighter. Two new ones from Ofra. This one's very pretty, but we've also got this other one here, and it's more of like a pinky Reflect. You know, I think I'm going to go with this one today. On my Morphe M510 brush, I'm going to go ahead and do a little razzle dazzle in the pan. And get that plopped on. Woo! Damn. Dang, that's good. It's another highlighter, another product I'd recommend. These are bomb. Oh, here we are with the finished look. I love the look. I hope you loved it. The only sad part about all of this now is that it's done, and that means that I have to get my day started and go to work. I hope that everyone else has a really good day. Thanks for hanging out with me while I did this makeup look, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!